Well, guys, it's Purim, Israeli Jewish holiday. People are supposed to wear some different costumes to dress up to something else. Today, it's allowed. Everyone can be whatever they want for one day. And a lot of streets parties in that beautiful market. It's a market of herbs and things like that, and a lot of food. Well, let's enjoy it a little bit. Let's party! Guys, this is so beautiful. This is the day that you can drink as much alcohol as you can. One day is allowed. You can dress up to whatever you want, and it's acceptable. And this is the beauty of it. It's called Levinsky Market. And I love that place because every time it's different. Different vibes, different smell, different kind of food. Well, that was almost 4 minutes of happiness in that horrible times in Israel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to support Israel and to be against the horrible people of the terrorist organizations around us. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.